First, you need to log into Clever. And if you are on a school networked computer, you can click on the Clever icon in your favorites bar at the top of the Chrome browser. Otherwise, go to clever.com and you will see this screen for logging in. If it says something besides Madison County School District, then you're going to click on the Not Your District button, and then you type in the name of your school. And there may be lots of schools around the country with your school name, like there are with Walnut Grove. You just need to look down the list until you find the one that says Madison County Schools that are associated with that one. And now you can either use your Clever badge and log in using this section of the Clever login screen, or you can use your Google credentials and log in with Google here. Make sure on this screen that you choose the one that has the madison.k12.al.us. You may have personal Gmail accounts, but they will not work on Clever, so make sure you're choosing your school username and password to log in. Once you are logged into Clever, scroll to the bottom of the screen where the district apps are loaded and click on Sora by Overdrive. You may get a My School is Madison County School District, but if you don't see that and you have the I have a setup code button instead, then you can click here where it says I have a setup code and enter the setup code that your school provides to you. If it already says My School is Madison County School District, click there and then click Sign In using Madison County School District. And then you're ready to start browsing the collection. You don't need to do this, but you can add a shortcut so that you don't have to be connected to the internet while you're using books that you've downloaded. From here, you can see that you can browse the collection by what's newly available, by popular subjects, new ebooks, new audiobooks, next great reads. Up at the top left, there's a place to search for books as well. When you see one that is interesting to you, you can click on that title and it will allow you to read a sample, or then you can go ahead and click Borrow to borrow that book. From here, you can turn the pages by clicking on the right side to turn forward in the book, or the left side of the image to go backwards in the book. If you need to stop reading for a moment, you can click the bookmark tab and then close your book, and it will be available for you on your shelf down here in the bottom. So you just click on shelf and you can see all the books that you have checked out. If you decide that you're finished with this book, if you finish reading or you don't want to read anymore, you can turn it in early. It's due in 13 days and it will disappear from your bookshelf automatically, but you can also turn it in early so that somebody else can read it. So you click on the options and then you click return to return that book. Return one more time. And now it's available for someone else. The next thing you want to do is connect your Sora account with the public library's ebook collection. To do that, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the three bars, and then click Add a Public Library. Find your library by typing in your zip code. And the digital media zone is the Huntsville-Madison County ebook collection. So we're going to click on this link. And then you have books you can read from the Madison County Public Library System. There's thousands of them. You're going to click on the title you want and then click Borrow. And you'll notice you need to sign in. So we're going to click on Sign In and look for the Huntsville-Madison County Public Library from this list. And here's where you're going to need to enter your library card number and your PIN. And you don't want to save that if you're on a school computer, but if you're somewhere else, you can do that. And then you have now the option of borrowing and reading this book, and it will now be on your shelf of books to read.